and saw some of the biggest water warriors of Hyderabad and India.
1 billion liters water into the ground. My God. Right? The third source of water we get is rainwater. It comes to your terrace, right? It comes to your doorstep. And what do we do with it? We just collect it, throw it, and send it out to the drains. And what happens? 5 minutes of rain, you see rivers on the roads. It's urban floods.
Kalpana ma'am, the water maverick, invited the WYM team as the representatives of Gen Z to come and see some of the amazing things they've been working on.
Last year, we saved one entire Kondapur well, which was used for irrigation many years ago. So we were able to restore this whole well through COVID. These lakes are the largest catchment for rainwater. And what are we doing with our lakes? It's such a sad thing to see that everything is it's filthy, it's dirty, and people use it literally as a litter box, and nobody cares for water really.
Blue Hyderabad and government of Telangana have given a new life to not only the area, the environment, but also new hope to the next millions of people who could have gone through a water crisis.
Wells were dug where they were good aquifer source, good source where water used to flow as an underground stream. They dug it at those points. And more than our knowledge, the traditional knowledge is really, they were geniuses. They knew where to dig wells. And today you just pour water into them, it recharges beautifully because it's connected to those. So, and we proved it that, a 13 lakh, 1.3 million liter holding capacity was the capacity of that well, and we were able to make it happen. We did a small amphitheater around it.
So today we are here at the well restoration site, and as you can see behind me, there are plantations going on. They're planting trees to make the place look very beautiful and make it green. And over there we have the well where they're taking the groundwater, purifying it, making the well beautiful.
Then we met Shri Ashok Kumar, the National Water Mission Director.
This is the concept which we had actually taken as a part of the Catch the Rain campaign. Okay. I think all of you should be aware that Honorable Prime Minister had launched a campaign called Catch the Rain, where it falls, when it falls. So this was launched on March 22nd. So what is the significance of March 22nd? No, it is the World Water Day. Okay, so it's a World Water Day. So this time Honorable Prime Minister launched it from Delhi. He addressed 2.5 lakh sarpanches of the country and about 400 DMs, district magistrates, collectors, over this virtual meeting, and asked the people to take 4 or 5 things. One is development of rainwater harvesting structures, and second is restoration of old traditional water bodies. That is the one which we see here, one of them. So there are a lot of step wells, other wells which were created by kings of early years. The water problem, they did it. So in Rajasthan and all, you have find very beautiful rainwater harvesting structures called step wells. And if you see the 100 rupee note behind it, there is a picture of a step well. So these are all heritage things which we should prepare. So I am happy that Kalpana ji and all the team and all of you are getting involved in restoring a very old well which is here, and this would be a good meeting place for people, because anywhere, if you remember, all civilization started around a water body. Every civilization came on a water near the waterfront. So this can be a starting point of a good civilization in this area, in the sense like a better cooperative society. Everybody comes to here, have a good time, sit here during the evenings, talk, chit chat and go. Of course, with COVID protocol, we don't forget the social distancing, should do that, and that will be very, very good. So this very, very appreciative that this effort has taken up, and I am more happy that you people are involved, young people, because it is your future. We are all Buddha ho gaya, we will go away, but then you have to take care of it. Okay, that's what you take care of. Thank you.
The Kudikuntha Lake. This lake has water purification systems, fountains to get rid of water stench, upcoming floating plantation beds, and many, many more reformations to revive this part of Hyderabad. Kalpana ma'am and the various water mavericks of this country envision water and its importance to become one of the biggest awareness projects this country has ever taken up.
Every day, when you draw water from the borewell, isn't it your duty to put back the clean water into the ground? Irrespective of who benefits, right? Put it back into the ground. The ground benefits, the groundwater benefits. How is it that every time you are only sucking out water every day diligently from the ground and putting back nothing into the ground? Is that fair? That's not a fair deal, right? So this is a simple thing that I'm trying to tell people. Like in last 11 years, I haven't bought a single tanker. That means I have saved a few lakh rupees. Is it my money or the government's money? It's my money. So in a country with our kind of population, right, we cannot afford to have everything done by the government. It is almost next to impossible. All of us should, become this collective change. And these are simple things. See, by doing rainwater harvesting, you are creating a water secured future for future generations. Because every time it rains, if you create this system, it's always going back into the ground, or you're reusing this water for almost 2 months, like 63 days of rainfall we get in Hyderabad every year. So we can reuse this water and we can recharge it. Why the hell are we putting it on the roads?
Only we can make Blue Hyderabad a reality where we're able to catch the rain where it falls, when it falls. And this can only be done through collective effort and hard work which is only possible when we collaborate and go together.